Welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 audiophile headphones for the ultimate listening experience. Whether you're after studio quality sound, immersive open-back designs, or premium noise canceling, we've got you covered. We'll dive into the best picks, including the Audio-Technica ATH-M50X, Sennheiser HD560S, Sony WH-1000XM5, Meze Audio 109 Pro, and the Hifiman Arya Organic. Let's find your perfect pair. Number 5. The Audio-Technica ATH-M50X headphones are a well-regarded choice for both casual listeners and audio professionals, blending high-quality sound performance with durability and comfort. These over-ear headphones are equipped with proprietary 45mm drivers and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils, delivering a sound profile that balances clear, detailed highs and mids with deep, accurate bass. This balance makes them ideal for critical listening in studio settings, as they offer exceptional clarity across an extended frequency range. Designed for comfort and durability, the ATH-M50X features circumaural ear cups that swivel 90 degrees, enhancing convenience for one-ear monitoring. The headphones also isolate sound effectively in noisy environments, adding to their versatility. Users appreciate the robust construction and replaceable, detachable cables, which ensure longevity and adaptability. Many find the option to swap out the ear cushions useful for a more customized fit, especially during extended wear. Overall, the ATH-M50X combines professional-grade sound quality with user-friendly features like detachable cables and foldable design. Given its balanced sound profile, durability, and comfort, the ATH-M50X offers exceptional value for anyone seeking professional-level audio without the high-end price tag. Number 4. The Sennheiser HD560S headphones are an excellent choice for audiophiles seeking detailed, true-to-source sound. With a neutral frequency response, they're designed to accurately reproduce sound across all ranges, making them ideal for critical listening and audio analysis. These over-ear, open-back headphones feature Sennheiser's EAR, ergonomic acoustic refinement technology, which tilts the drivers to match the natural angle of the ears, creating a wide and immersive soundstage. The HD560SS open-back design contributes to a natural, spacious sound field that enhances depth and realism, while the polymer blend transducer membrane provides excellent control and low distortion. However, this design also means bass may feel lighter than on closed-back headphones, which some listeners may find lacking for genres like EDM and hip-hop. Users praise the headphones' comfort and lightweight build, though some note the plastic construction feels less premium. Despite this, they offer great value, especially for detailed listening in quiet settings. Priced affordably for their quality, the Sennheiser HD560S headphones are best for listeners who prioritize clarity and realism over heavy bass, making them a top choice for audio professionals and discerning music enthusiasts alike. Number 3. The Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones offer top-notch noise cancellation, audio quality, and comfort, making them a premier choice for immersive listening. With 2 processors controlling 8 microphones, they deliver an advanced noise-canceling experience that effectively isolates listeners from external noise, ideal for those who prioritize quiet in various environments. Featuring Sony's signature V1 processor, these headphones provide a well-balanced sound with a detailed soundstage, clear mids, and precise bass, perfect for a wide range of music genres. The WH-1000XM5 excels in convenience with up to 30 hours of battery life and a fast-charging option providing 3 hours of playback in just 3 minutes. For beamforming microphones enhance call quality, though user feedback indicates it may not compete with models specifically designed for loud environments. Constructed with soft-fit synthetic leather, they are lightweight and comfortable, making them suitable for extended use, even during sleep. Touch controls make navigating music and calls simple, though some users note they can take time to get used to. While on the higher end of the price spectrum, the Sony WH-1000XM5's superior sound quality, comfort, and robust noise-canceling capabilities make them worth the investment for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Number 2. The Meze Audio 109 Pro headphones are a stunning blend of luxury design and high-end audio performance, perfect for audiophiles seeking both form and function. Featuring genuine walnut wood ear cups, each pair has a unique grain pattern, lending a natural aesthetic that's visually appealing. The open-back design and 50mm dynamic drivers deliver an expansive soundstage with detailed, well-balanced audio across genres, ideal for classical, orchestral, and other intricate music styles. With a low impedance of 40 ohms, these headphones are versatile and work well with any device without needing amplification. Comfort is also a strong suit. The self-adjusting vegan leather headband and ideal clamping force ensure hours of comfortable listening, making these headphones suitable for extended wear. Included accessories enhance value: a hard-carrying pouch, 2 detachable cables, and a 3.5mm to 6.3mm adapter. Built with replaceable parts, the 109 Pro is designed to last, though some users report minor issues with the cable connectors. Meze's 2-year warranty adds peace of mind for this premium purchase. At their price point, these headphones offer an excellent entry into high-fidelity audio without the need to overspend. A solid choice for listeners who prioritize build quality, aesthetic, and superb sound fidelity. Number 1. The Hifiman Arya Organic headphones offer an extraordinary listening experience for audiophiles seeking high fidelity, comfort, and durability. Equipped with Hifiman's cutting-edge planar magnetic drivers featuring nanometer-thick diaphragms, these headphones deliver a richly detailed sound profile, capturing intricate nuances across all frequencies. The low 16-ohm impedance allows them to pair easily with various devices, but they truly shine with dedicated amplification for enhanced bass depth and overall clarity. Designed with stealth magnets, the Arya Organic minimizes wave distortion, providing an impressively clean and accurate audio experience. The ergonomic headband and asymmetrical ear cups ensure hours of comfort, even for prolonged listening sessions, without pressure points. However, a few users mention the strap may require occasional adjustment. In terms of craftsmanship, Hifiman employs a robust CNC-milled metal frame, delivering both durability and a refined aesthetic. The headphones come with a single crystalline copper cable, and while some may find the length restrictive, it's easily replaceable. With an expansive soundstage that rivals more costly models, the Arya Organic excels in immersiveness, making it ideal for both music and gaming. At its price point, these headphones are a compelling choice for anyone seeking a high-quality, open-back audiophile experience.